So now let's see how we can access and work with documents shared by other users inside of Google Docs. So to access the other documents shared by other users, first of all, you gotta check your email. So I'm just going to open up a new tab just like this and type in gmail.com just like this to see my email. So once we go inside, you can see that we have received an invite from TutorTube 2 right here. So TutorTube channel 2 is here. So I can just open this up in the docs just like this and access the document, start editing it because I've been given editing privilege just like this, as you can see right here. If you don't find in an email here, or maybe you deleted an email, you can go to drive.google.com over here now. So once you go to drive.google.com, on the left side you can see shared with me option right here. So you can simply click on shared with me, and here you'll be able to see the files which has been shared to you. So there's my Google Doc document that has been shared by the other user. So you can just double click on it and access the same file, as you can see. You can also go over here, right click and add the shortcut to my drive right over here. So once you add the shortcut to my drive, what you can do is, let's say for example, go on into your drive right here, add a shortcut here, and you'll be able to access the shortcut from right over here as well. So now over here, there's the untitled document shortcut, as you can see, and that is how you can access and work with documents shared by other users. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.